guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Runescape Dragonwilds from crashing on Steam or on PC in general. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam on your desktop. From Steam, what you can do is look for the video game, and then once you find it, go ahead and right click on it, hit properties. From properties, make your way over to installed files, and then from installed files, go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. Now once that's done, all that basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files, and it'll fix that issue. You can go ahead and X out, and you can go ahead and start up the game, and that should fix the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is going over to your search bar, typing in device manager. From device manager, what you can do is you can go ahead and go over to display adapters, and then right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and hit search automatically for drivers, and this basically updates your drivers. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys are good to go. You can obviously update your drivers from the GeForce Experience app directly if you have NVIDIA, and then whatever the AMD equivalent app is. And once you do all of these things, you guys are good to go, and I highly recommend restarting your PC as well. Now once you're done with that, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.